Are you someone who finds himself in overwhelm because you've got so many thoughts going on in your head, all the things you need to do, and you don't know where to start? Yeah, me too, which is why I love a list. So what I do and what I've done is created two lists for my life, one for my business and one for my personal life. And everything goes down on there. Every thought I have, you know, a present I need to order for someone, a birthday card that I need to buy, everything goes on there. And I work through those lists quite systematically. But how I do it, because obviously if you had those lists and you looked at them every day, it'd be really, really overwhelming. What I do every evening before I go to bed is to literally downsize the list by taking off some priority items that I can do the next day that I can achieve. So literally I'll go through my list, transfer some items onto the my little book for the next day and work through them. And I never really beat myself up, because if I don't achieve anything on that list, I can just literally take it over to the next day. And I use this in every element of my life to keep me on track. I work with so many clients I know that are really overwhelmed, they don't know where to begin. And I do find that writing a list is a really, really good way to keep yourself in check. And then finally, on that note, one of the things that I've done for myself, I've created a list of what I need to do every day. For me, it's exercise. I love walking, but I like to have a sort of a mental reminder, if you like, that I need to do a walk. So I've created myself a to-do list. So if you like what you've heard today, my name is Tracy and I'm from the Lifestyle Concepts, and I'm helping you find inner harmony through decluttering. You can follow me on the Lifestyle Concept Declutterer. Thank you.